In 1989, I had just basically escaped from the treatment and recovery trap. At that point, I'd spent years of my life in rehab, in AA, in therapy, and um, all of that time, I knew that something was dramatically wrong with what was happening to me. I didn't know what was wrong. I just knew it didn't make sense. The things I was being told, that I had a disease, that I had a disorder, that I couldn't stop my drug use, that I was powerless, none of it made sense. And deep down inside, I said, there has to be a better way than this. To admit defeat and then be miserable for the rest of my life in some sort of strange world called recovery for the rest of my life. And so little did I know it, but at that moment when I started having those thoughts, I became a researcher. I became a human behavior researcher. And I would spend the next, well, now 36 years designing, building, and providing the most successful alternative to treatment in the world. And it's called the Freedom Model. And now our book is everywhere. And, we have a team of coaches. But we're ready to bring this model to the world, to you. If you're looking to become a coach, we now have a certification program that allows you to take everything that we've learned from our 470-page book all the way through to our workshops, our books, our workbooks, our online program, our thousands of videos, and all the work that we've done teaching people how to move past their problems. And you can now learn that. You can learn directly from me and Michelle, the other co-founder and co-author. And we want to teach you how to build a successful coaching business, and one that is completely steeped in a model that we have perfected for you. There's no guesswork. Your students and clients will have the best information, the most accurate information, and the most revolutionary information to get past their problem, and most importantly, to move on with their lives. Not to be in some sort of strange netherworld called recovery where they feel deprived of their substance, but rather be free and move on. So if this is something that interests you, go to thefreedommodel.org. That's thefreedommodel.org, and click on the certification tab and check out what we're doing. This model, what we've been doing for 36 years, we've already had 27,000 people sign up and move on with their lives. And now we want coaches to sign up. We want, if you're a therapist, if you're a psychiatrist, if you're a psychologist, if you're a medical practitioner, if you're just a layperson who's empathetic and compassionate and is ready to help people, these are the people we want to sign up and be certified in our model. We want to replace AA. We want to replace the treatment paradigm. We want to replace needless recovery protocols. We want to replace the entire medication revolution. We want to replace that with common sense, choice, and the proper information. So sign up today, go to the website, and be a part of this. We'll be honored to teach you and get you certified to start your practice or amplify the practice you have with our credibility, our success rate, the highest in the world, verified, and a model that will make total imminent sense and is mind-blowing for you, the coach, and for your students or clients. All right, everybody, go to thefreedommodel.org and don't forget to like and subscribe. Take care, everybody.